Through the valleys of this life I have wandered, and I've worked for Jesus all along the way. But now our saving sun for me is setting. I have reached the ending of my way. Lord, I've been faithful in the service you have given, and the harvest of the fields, Lord, I have done. But now my steps are growing weary. Lord, I'm waiting, I'm ready to go home. Looking back upon the life I've lived for Jesus, I can see how He has blessed me all the way. And each tear I shed just helped to keep me humble, and each burden only taught me how to pray. Lord, I've been faithful in the service you have